Kalinga. Naalala ko noong Disyembre, nagpunta tayo sa Bigutan ba yun, di ba, Sani? Kung saan ang ibang mga unit ay inumpisahan natin, pero natapos na sila sa panahon ni Director General Rason. At patuloy din ang mga proyektong pabahay sa Baras Rizal, yung binanggit ni Sani sa San Miguel, Bulacan. Ito ba yung bahagi ng 1,600 hectares na nakuha natin mula sa Central Bank bilang dividendo ng Central Bank sa ating bansa, at yung 1,600 hectares ay hinati natin sa apat na bahagi. 400 hectares para sa police, 400 hectares para sa mga kasama ni General Diano sa military, 400 hectares para sa mga guro, at 400 hectares para sa ibang mga manggagawa at empleyado ng pamahalaan. Kaya ako ay natutuwa na doon sa bahagi ng PNP na umpisahan na ni Sani Rason ang horizontal development. Meron din doon sa Camp Castañeda sa Silang, Cavite. At iba pa, maraming binanggit si Sani Rason ng mga lugar ng ating housing program para sa mga pulis. Para sa mga bata naman, mga anak, at ako ay I want to give my best wishes to Miss Versosa as she takes her bar exams. At sana lahat ng anak ng mga pulis ay makaabot doon. At para makaabot sa ganong kataasan ng pag-aaral, libo-libong anak ng pulis din ay nakakapag-aral sa ilalim ng iba't ibang klase ng ating mga scholarship. Itong mga biyaya sa pulis ay tumutulong sa mga transformation na ginawa ni Sani at kanyang mga predecessor sa pagbawas sa insidente ng mga krimen, lalo na yung mga street crimes. Yun ang malaking ibinaba nung panahon ni Sani Rason. And that is something that the ordinary Filipino feels if his street is more crime-free than ever before. At natitiyak tayo maipagpapatuloy ang magandang halimbawa ni Mamang Pulis Sani ng kapalit sa kanya. Our new PNP Chief, Jess Versosa, has had also a very, how shall I say, very varied experience in the police force. And as he was talking about how Ronnie Puno would advise him, inspire him, or comfort him as the case may be, during the highs and lows of his career, I could not help but remember in my own mind the different things that Jess underwent, at least during my administration. But one thing I'd like to point out is that he has been assigned to practically every hot spot of the country, including Basilan and Maguindanao. And of the rich experience of Jess Versosa, I specifically point this one out because his experience is valuable to what we are seeking to do today. That is, we are committed to do everything possible to bring lasting peace to Mindanao and end 40 years of fighting that has killed more than 120,000 people. It is in the interest of all Filipinos, not just to have his street free of crime, but also to end the violence that has held the southern part of our country back and that has required an investment of hundreds of millions of pesos to support our military and police presence in Mindanao. As I said to the UN General Assembly a few days ago, we will pursue the peace process in Mindanao. The recent violence has reminded us all that peace is the only option for our country and the people of Mindanao, but also everybody in his own street even here in Metro Manila. However, we must end the armed rebellions through disarmament, demobilization, and rehabilitation, and a very strong role of the PNP is expected in making sure that Mindanao remains peaceful. After all, what is happening there in Mindanao is a law enforcement exercise. It is not an all-out war. We are now focused on dialogues with all of the communities involved in the peace process, both Muslims and Christians. We are building more bridges to affected communities and to all men and women of goodwill who reject the use of armed struggle as a means of achieving political and societal change. Kanina, binanggit at pinatindig ni DJ Versosa ang ilang mga mamamayan, mga civilian, na gumamit ng kanilang karapatan bilang mamamayan para magkaroon ng pagbabago doon sa pulis. At ito rin ang inaasahan natin sa ating peace process. Yung ginagawa ngayon nung kaklase ni Sunny, si June Esperon, bringing the peace process to the people themselves. At gusto natin, nakagaya ng ginawa ng ating dalaga dito sa third row, na nanggaling sa kanya na dapat magkaroon ng pagbabago doon sa serbisyo ng pulis sa police station. Inaasahan din natin na manggagaling sa taong bayan mismo na yung mga rebelde ay dapat itabi na dapat ang kanilang mga armas para sa ganon buong bansa ay makasulong na. And so with these new directions in the police, in the peace process, in our country at large, against the gale force winds of the global economy, we remain bullish on our country. And with a continually transforming police under the leadership now of our new DG, Jess Versosa, we are optimistic about our future. I am very pleased to hear the deep commitment of our police leaders to being a force for good. Mahal nating lahat ang ating taong bayan. And as Commander-in-Chief, I can only end by saying, I am very grateful to the Lord, as Sunny calls the architect of the great universe, because He has given me the privilege to have Sunny Rason and Jess Versosa with me in serving the country. To both of you, congratulations sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat.